Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you're based in the world. We are the Pipoholics from London, England. My name is Levi and it's my pleasure to take you through this presentation today. We will be visiting a currency pair where we spotted a trading opportunity. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we post these videos regular. Also, if you want to follow us on social media where we post the odd chart and update on any of the videos, the links will be found below this video. This trading opportunity is going to feature the Aussie dollar against the Swiss franc, and I'm very excited to show you this because it's a very easy setup, much like the other two videos that we've posted on this weekend that feature other currency pairs for trading next week. Going to keep the analysis very simple because this is a very simple setup. You can see that the market was in an uptrend. It was respecting this ascending support line. Market bounced off it. Big reaction from the bulls. Went on and made a new high. Unfortunately, it couldn't beat this high, which is probably the reason why the market started to be sold off. And then when we closed when we closed on the support line, the next day was met. The bulls tried to push the market back up. It failed. Massive selling pressure to put in this low. We was looking for an opportunity to sell a rally in the market, and finally on Friday we got that. The market opened and done nothing but rally, retraced strongly towards the close of the day, but we think that this is ripe now for a sell signal. If we go to the shorter term time frame on the hourly chart, you can see what's going on with the market. If I just zoom out slightly so you can see what's going on, I don't think anyone would argue that this is not in a short-term downtrend. I think that the sell-off on the US dollar has caused capital to flow into safe haven currencies such as the Swiss franc, and I think that trend will continue for at least a week. The dollar looks very bearish, and we do have a sell recommendation on the dollar against the CAD. We've posted that video on YouTube already this weekend. What you can see is that Friday's action, we put in a low, and then ever since we was sort of holding our own. The market was holding its own, and then last 2 hours before the close, market dumped, and we've actually had a sell signal in this market. We closed below the counter trend line. It's a very precarious thing selling at the Friday close because, as you've seen so many times on Sunday, markets like this can gap, and you don't want the market gapping up here in an area where it might interfere with stop losses. So absent any gap to the upside, we will be selling this market 100%. We want to sell this market, providing it stays below this counter trend line. We will be selling this market, and we would expect it to at least come down to test this previous low, which is around this red line. This is actually a higher red line than our target, so after this we still have further to fall in this market. It's a nice easy setup. We're going with momentum. The trend and momentum is down. We've got a rally we want to sell. This should be a nice easy trade for us to trade. Again, if you do take this trade, we would really appreciate if you just let us know in the comments section that you took the trade and how many pips you made. Maybe you want to get out at the previous low. Maybe you ride this all the way down to our target where there's quite strong support. And there will be another set of similar videos uploaded next weekend. So be sure to subscribe to our channel.